Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use Android Auto without a USB cable. So you need to actually connect it wirelessly, but before that you need to make sure that your phone actually meets the minimum requirements. So you can actually see the minimum requirements from here. As you see, you need to actually have Android 10 or 11 or more. Also you need to have a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The second thing that you need to confirm is that to make sure that your car is compatible with wireless Android Auto. So if it's not compatible, you need to actually use the USB cable. Also ensure that your phone is in range of your mobile data network, so you need to actually have a mobile data network too. After that, now you need to connect your phone. So to use Android Auto with your car, you need to actually first connect Bluetooth with your phone. So turn on Bluetooth on your car, as see from here. After that, you need to turn it on your phone too. Then you need to pair both devices. Now you will have the Bluetooth pairing request. You need to actually accept it and press on OK. Then from here, you need to go to Android Auto section. Now you need to actually download and install the software update for Android Auto, and now you can successfully use Android Auto wirelessly without any cable. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.